Okay guys, so I made some little things that I want to show you. So this is my bulletin board right here that I showed you, and I put class numbers on there. So I was just going to put the different period numbers so I can write the class numbers on there for each period. So I made some of these. So these are just boxes with numbers on them and then empty boxes on the side of it, and then I laminated it. So originally I was going to do color, so I have these. But putting this up there, I just felt like that's too much color. So I put just white and I laminated it. So in order to get color on this, I'm going to write the students' names on here in my colored wet erase markers. So I'll just write the names on here, and then it's real easy to like change numbers if I need to, like when students drop my class or whatever situation. Like the first week of school for us, every single quarter, kids are in and out of each class because they're changing schedules. So first day, like everyone will have a number, and then if like number 5 and 19 drop, I could just erase them, and then when someone else is added, I just write their names in here with that number. So I figured that would be really easy, and wet erase markers so that kids can't just like try and wipe it off. So I thought that would be good. So I got 2 of them. One is green, and then we have purple. So green and purple for each period. So I only made 4 copies. That's because at the moment I am teaching an ASB class, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm trying to get rid of it. So I am hoping that another teacher will take it on, but if they don't, then I'll still have it for the remainder of the year. So for ASB we don't use numbers, and then for my prep period obviously there's no students, so I can't assign any numbers. So there's 4 here for the 4 classes that I do teach of English 9 and drama. So I'm just going to put those right up here, and then kids can just come over and look at their number when they forget it. So I figured that would be a really good idea. So I'm going to put those up right now. Okay, so I just stapled them up on the wall, and it looks so good. So this is what it looks like. So we have period 1 and 2 in green, and then 5 and 6 are in purple. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So once I get new students next quarter, I'm going to assign them their numbers, and then I'll just write their names in these boxes here. So like if it's student number 1, I'll write their first name, last name here with a wet erase marker, and since it's laminated, I can just get it off with water. But I'm loving this. It looks so good. I'm so impressed. I love it.